Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a home that is specially designed just for you and ready to move in. This beautiful home consists of 8 bedrooms and 7 bathrooms. Downstairs has a large master bedroom, living, dining, kitchen, veranda, powder room, and also an extra room. It also has a self-contained one bedroom. The garage is enclosed with a spacious sitting area and lounge. Upstairs consists of two different flats, a two-bedroom and a three-bedroom that are used for rentals. The outside has a jacuzzi swimming pool with a large area for relaxation and it's enclosed. The property is also well fruited with mangoes, soursop, ackees, breadfruits, and many more. Located at Cedar Avenue in Plantation Village, St. Anne. This home is close to all basic amenities. Come make this your dream home or investment home today. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 1,450,000, Jamaican 228.7 million, Canadian 2 million, Euro 1.3 million, or 1.1 million pounds. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.